to apply contour and highlight for your face shape. What you'll want to do is take a fan brush and make sure you're using the lighter, brighter colors on the areas that the sun would naturally hit you. That would be under the eye, nasolabial fold, down the center of the nose, above the brow, and under the cheekbone. The darker colors will go where the sun would naturally hit and define you. And that would be on the cheekbone, sides of the nose, around the face, and neck and chest, because the sun really does not see neck and chest. It really gets its full attention from the face because it's jutting forward. So we really need to put a darker bronzer on neck and chest to just even out the playing field.